Welcome to a world of gadgets. In this video, we will explore the 5 best surprisingly useful gadgets for everyday life that you can buy this year. These gadgets may seem simple and ordinary, but they can actually help you with a variety of tasks. These gadgets are sure to make your life easier and more efficient. So let's take a look at the 5 best surprisingly useful gadgets for everyday life that you can buy this year. Number 5. Potty Pillow. The Potty Pillow is a truly revolutionary product that takes the bathroom experience to a whole new level. It provides luxury lumbar support for toilet seats and is 100% water resistant. It's perfect for parents who need a few minutes of me time away from their kids and makes the bathroom a comfortable and special place. With its rear kangaroo pouch and electro-elastic, it fits almost all toilet lids and is sure to make your bathroom experience one of luxury and relaxation. Highly recommended. Number 4. Posifix Poster Pro. The Posifix Poster Pro is a revolutionary device that helps you achieve the perfect posture and stay healthy while working or studying. It is designed to be suitable for all ages, and its advanced technology constantly monitors your posture and reminds you to sit and stand up straight. Unlike other posture correction methods, the Posifix relies on muscle memory and strengthening the muscles that support your back and neck rather than external force. With its ultra-lightweight design, it's comfortable to wear, anti-slip, and even provides a daily analysis report and line chart to track your progress. If you're looking for a posture correction solution that's comfortable, effective, and long-lasting, the Posifix Poster Pro is the perfect choice for you. Number 3. HyPeg Portable Washing and Cleaning System. The HyPeg Portable Washing and Cleaning System is a revolutionary invention that simplifies the process of washing and cleaning fruits and vegetables. It uses an ozone generator and an ultrasonic transducer to create microscopic bubbles that thoroughly wash and clean the food without wasting water. The machine is easy to attach with either a latch mechanism or magnets and can be operated from a control panel or wirelessly connected to mobile devices. The machine is also equipped with a wireless charging unit for easy and convenient charging. This is an amazing invention that ensures that your food is thoroughly cleaned while being cost-efficient and environmentally friendly. Number 2. Flagship Exclusive Knife and Futuristic Wall Magnets Set. The Flagship Exclusive Knife and Futuristic Wall Magnets Set is a must-have for any kitchen. This set includes a one-of-a-kind knife made from multi-layered Damascus steel, 2 magnetic holders, and a classy gift box. The knife is crafted to be incredibly sharp, durable, scratch-resistant, and ergonomic. It's even designed with an ideal shape and handle-to-blade proportion for maximum effectiveness. The magnetic holders blend into any interior and are powerful enough to hold up to 3 elves of weight. This product is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen and keep their essential tools handy. Number 1. Batu Airbag Massage Cushion. The Batu Airbag Massage Cushion is an incredibly innovative product that provides a truly unique massage experience. It utilizes AI technology to automatically adjust the airbag pressure and airflow to fit your body perfectly. The cushion also uses patented convectional inflation and deflation technology to create a rhythmic massage that relaxes the neck, hip, and waist. The cushion also supports and evenly distributes body weight from the hips to the thighs and even has an ergonomic airbag shape for optimal comfort. Additionally, the TPU fabric material is waterproof, stain-resistant, and scratch-resistant, and the bottom of the cushion is equipped with anti-slip particles to keep it in place. If you're looking for a truly unique massage experience, the Batu Airbag Massage Cushion is definitely worth a try.